Okay, guys, I think right now it's time to start with PyQt5. Before starting, I wanted to start from scratch and explain you what is Qt5, what is our layouts and box layout, vertical layout, and so on. But I just found out that the video would be, or the course would be very long, and I don't want to bother you by learning anything from scratch, and maybe some of you already has this knowledge. So I think that if you want to learn PyQt5 from scratch, I would probably create a new video for PyQt5. But right now, let's just start the way to create the application that I showed you before, and we can learn everything. But if you want something, if you don't understand something, just let me know and I will probably suggest something for you, or create a new video for you, or create a new course for you with everything explained in PyQt5. So right now what we want to do is start coding the application. Let's start with UI. So I will create a file. Let's call it main window, or the main window. Yeah, main window.py. So we have to import everything like CV, as you know. Let's leave it like that for this time. NumPy, or from matplotlib, import pplot as plt as always, and we can import also sys because we need to take images and something like that. And what else? Yeah, we import last time immutils, and we can import many other things, but let me show you this way right now. So we will import PyQt5. Yeah, import PyQt5. Yeah, you also need to install PyQt5, and PyQt5 come with so many other libraries. So if you want to be specific, you can import everything that you need just from PyQt5, not everything. So let me do it something like that. PyQt5 import QWidget. So guys, if you don't know what is this, so let me know. I will explain you after, because right now if I would explain you everything like that, it will be so long. So let's start like that. From PyQt5 again, let's import, or PyQt5 Qt core, import PySignal, important, and PyQt slot, and QThread if we need to start time or camera, and QTimer. Yeah, and from PyQt5.qtqi, let's import qpixmap, because with this library we will be able to load image on our application with the UI. So it's very important for us. Q icon, and let's import something. I don't know, I hope it's the last for now. PyQt5 Qt widget. Yeah, let's import Q message box if we would like to give a pop-up. So now we are done with this. So what we have to do right now is to show the window. So let's create a class, main window, or main window. So we create definition, or we create a function, and we initialize, and we create self. We need self because we need to be able to access this from everywhere. Self Qt widget dot q application, and we use the system that we take before and rv. So we self and window. Let's create a window. We take it from Qt widget and Q main window. Yeah. So we could do something like set object name, because if we want to, as we want to load the CSS file inside of this for better design, so we will do this after. So right now let's let's start something new. Like we can self window set window title, set window title, the app for you, and we can self window. We can do so many things. Set geometry. So this is very important. So you say where to start from your computer, and the size of the window. Sorry. Yeah. So we could set window icon, but we can do that. Self window dot set window icon. So we can use the user prof that we have. Yeah, hope that I spelled it well. Yeah, but before doing this, I said you here we import the icon, Q icon. So it's very good to use here Q icon. Yeah, and just here you close it. Yeah, and if you want to have a fixed size for your window, you can just use self.window set minimum or maximum width or size, and you can use the same size that we used before, 815, and this one. And also you can set maximum size or minimum size, or let's stay right like this. So we can, what we have to do now is show our window. Show. Yeah, that's a great thing that we can do. So here we show the window to the user or to ourselves. So What we have to do now is, after everything, we can just do something like main, and we call the function that we have created, or the class. So let's see if it works. Start and gone. Yeah, you know that with OpenCV we could add something like wait key and something like that, but here when we start the window, we we have the window. So we if we cannot see the window right now, that means we have a problem. So the problem that we have, I will show you why. Yeah. So uh, for PyQt5, we have the application, the user interface. So we have to give the user interface the access to execute code that you need. Like, yeah, like if you want the app to exit, so you can use just sys and exit, yeah, and self, because we use self everywhere. So you use self, we can take the app and you take the execute. Yeah. So I think that with this line, my problem is self. So let's see. So main window. Yeah, we are here. So we have the application, and we can use everything we have right now as is it blank, yeah, and we have the title as we said it, and here we can close the app. We don't have to press Q anymore. So see you in the next video. Let's fulfill the user interface.